We came to Serengeti Park without booking a room and somehow ended up getting the last available room. Come with us for a room tour to explore the park because this time it felt like we had the whole place to ourselves. Welcome to Serengeti Park! Hello. And we're gonna go all the way! Whee! Welcome home! This is our second time here in the Serengeti, so today let's see that one. So they have hotels here, so I think we're gonna stay here today. Let's see how it's done. Online ticket is there. Oh, it's closed. Maybe we go here. Tongasoa Lodges. Should we go left or right? Oh, here it is. The lodges. This is the lodges if you want to go lodges. You want to go chicken, it's here. We are very spontaneous to go here. Oh, there are many cars. I think it's full here today.
Oh ja, krass.
That's crazy. Yeah, because it's holiday now in Germany. Or I think it's everywhere holiday. Yesterday, Father's Day. Anmeldung check-in is here. Let's see. Oh, look, there's the cars already still. We can go in the front. So we just go follow the road. The man said, Monkey, good morning. They close some areas of the roads.
Leute, das ist eine andere Welt, wo wir jetzt sind, ne?
There's a lot of entrance here. Just have to find the right one.
Die Kasse vorbei.
We are actually inside the park now. We are looking for our lodge. Okay, open. There's off. Oh, look at this here on the other side. Whoa. Oh, there's a train tracks here. It feels like a private tour now.
In a zoo, ne?
Yeah. Looking for your own lodge is quite also an adventure. There is a lot of people. It's full of kids. Oh, did you bring the kinderwagen? Oh, we have to park here. This is the park place already here. This is the last thing. Oh, the rides is here. The rides is already there. You can see.
Can we go there?
Yeah. Giraffe. Oh. Even in the parking place, there's a giraffe. What a long ride. Finally, we are here. And finally, we found a parking place. So today,
Mama, we're just going to our hotel.
so now here we are going to sign up for our final room signing. So we are gonna go to our lodge. They're actually using a tent. Like these materials, like a tent. Welcome to our lodge.
We're sleeping with lion.
No, I hope not. Wow, nice camping place. Oh,
This is just a tent.
yeah, it is, yeah. Just like this. Exactly just like this.
Wow, guck mal, Elternzimmer.
It's actually really nice. Wow. The lion can pick us up here. But this is actually really nice. Oh, so easy. Yeah. Oh, cute. Look though. Oh, that's cute, baby. Wow. This is nice. Oh, this is really nice for kids. It's really nice. Wow. They have TV. Oh, nice couch. Oh. Looks small from the outside, but they have everything inside. And they have a nice map for the whole thing outside to do. Oh my god, what is this here?
Trash.
Open.
Ja, Kellerroom.
Wow, that's so cute. Oh, for real?
Das ist die geheime.
Oh my god. That's fun, guys. That's so fun. Can you open the light? Where's the light? Maybe there's a light.
Das hat ein Geheimzimmer hier gefunden.
Wow, cool.
Kannst du ausziehen. Hier.
Oh, you can cook. Oh, toilet is really nice. It's really cool. Oh, you can shower. I want shower. Wow, beautiful. Oh, kitchen. Oh my god, we can cook. They have everything here. It's crazy. It's just everything is in here. That's crazy. Welcome. Everything is closing now. Yeah, but you can just roam around here. And so our hotel is just directly to this one here. And when you go out, then you can see the park. Crazy.
We have to go left.
Okay.
I have a
There's nobody here right now.
Oh,
Everyone is inside.
for 2 days here, the whole day and the whole night.
Oh, nice. Good morning. Cockpit safari photo.
Mama, you have to sit down.
Go. There's a big dinosaur. It looks like an abandoned park because there's nobody, only us. But there's a huge one.
I just hear the wolf.
What the heck? That's huge. Close. It's not allowed now. Tomorrow, okay? Whoa. Yeah.
He's breathing. Look.
Oh wow! Nice! It's awake! Guten Morgen! Oh.
The black one is the winner, okay?
Yeah!
Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
The first to fall down.
What the heck is that here?
Spider web.
Hello!
Yeah.
Oh my sh-
Mama, you also have to go on one.
Okay.
Good! You're making it! You made it! It is
And that's just the beginning. We got our room, explored a little bit of the park, and already had an unforgettable start. But trust me, the real adventure is just beginning. Totally, there is so much to see, and you definitely don't want to miss what happens next. So make sure you come back for part 2, because this is where the adventure really begins. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and come back for part 2 for our Serengeti Park adventure. See you in the next one. Bye!